Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another solo learn video. It's been a while since I've done one of these, and today we're just gonna pick off where we left off with the third episode in the Java Intermediate series. It's called Access Modifiers. Now, let's discuss the public keyword in front of the main method. So the public keyword is essentially an access modifier, meaning it's used to set the level of access. You can use it to access modifiers for classes, attributes, and methods. For classes, the available modifiers are public or default. It's left blank. So public means that it's accessible to any other class. Default means it is only accessible by classes in the same package. Now, the following choices are available for attributes and methods. So, default. A variable or method declared with no access control modifier is available to any other class in the same package. And then public is accessible to any other class. Protected means it provides the same access as the default access modifier, with the addition that subclasses can access protected methods and variables of the superclass, and subclasses and superclasses are covered in the upcoming lessons. But for now, let's not get too deep into the protected. Let's just focus on these two: default, public, and private. So private is accessible only within the declared class itself. So here is an example. Here's an example right here. You have a private, so all of these are private, and then this method is public. So it's a best practice to keep the variables within a class private. The variables are accessible and modified using setters and getters. Tap continue to learn about setters. Okay. So we're already heading. Let me turn that off. Yeah. Okay. I turned off my Grammarly, so we're good. So access modifiers. You're a tool manager and you need to have a list of countries along with its capitals. You're given a program which creates country objects, and you should output the name and the capital, but something goes wrong. Task: change the access modifiers of the country class field in order to perform the output. Use public access to provide access to other classes. Okay. So what we did was we used private, and private means you can only access it inside of the class. But this is also trying to access the name and the capital. So first what we'll do is we'll just change this to public, run it, and there you go. Because here's essentially what happened. You need the public or you need the name to be public because another class is trying to access it, and that's essentially the main um, theory behind that. And which of the following are valid access modifiers? Public, private, protected, not hidden. Hidden is not one of them. And yeah, that's going to do it. There you go. Lesson completed. We learned about access modifiers today, and I hope you did enjoy this video. And if you did, I do recommend subscribing because I'll be uploading more of these in the future. And I appreciate all of your support, and have a great day.